All right, so we are in Sisters, Oregon. Just got some fuel and we are heading up Sandium Pass up to the Cascades to go get a Jeep Cherokee that sounds like it's high centered on a rock. I think it's a newer Cherokee and it's got a rock wedge in the A-arm. Got David here again today and he promises to smile this time. See, he can do it. Already. So we're gonna head up the hill, go see what kind of situation this guy's in and see if we can figure out how to get him out of it. So fun fact, it was 80 degrees this morning in town, and what did you say, it was 70 when we left?
72 when I was heading out.
Yeah, when I picked him up, and sunny. And now, it's raining a lot. So it looks like he should be straight to the left here, but on the map it kind of looks like we're going to have to go down and double back. Somebody left a bumper. There he is right there, see in the trees? Yep. Oh good, there's a cutover right here. Oh, that was this thing right here. Wow.
Turn a little too tight.
Yep. Should I just like ram him and push him backwards?
Crazy. What are you doing? Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, and you're about to be on it.
Oh, well. All right.
So, just
high center.
cut a little too tight in the turn.
Yeah, took it at the wrong line. High centered it.
Right in my eye.
Oh, watch out, it's raining.
Yeah. Okay, this shouldn't be too bad. I brought some blocks in a jack, we could block it up and set it back on the blocks and then back right off of it.
Yeah, that's the kind of stuff I needed.
Yep. You have a hitch in the back, perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around to get on the back side of you.
Okay.
So we'll jack it up and set blocks under it here, and then I'll use my winch to pull it back slowly, because if we're using the drive, it's likely to want to spit the blocks out.
Yes.
Where if we're pulling with the winch, it's in neutral.
Okay.
It'll ride on the blocks much easier. So.
Okay.
I will. Look like it just goes right down there and get to this side, and just get back behind you. Ready? How long you been stuck here?
Oh, it's been like 3 hours, I think.
Well, that's not terrible.
I gave up quickly because I didn't have any tools.
Before you got yourself into more trouble?
Right, yeah. If I had more tools, we'd be still trying. Right.
I'm going to go hook onto it with the winch before we lift it so it doesn't hurt it move. Alright, so we're just going to hook onto the back of it and just snug it up with the winch so that when we lift to the jack there's no chance of it moving and coming off the jack, because that wouldn't be ideal. Has it not been raining here that bad yet? No. That means what we just drove through is coming this way, because it's really, really bad over there.
I guess it gets worse right now.
Yeah. What I was wondering is if we got out of it or we were just got ahead of it. Seems like ahead of it. Okay, you want to hop in it?
Yep.
Hop in it, and you're going to turn your wheel to the passenger side.
How far?
I'll tell you.
All right.
So we're going to try to go over that rock to gain a little more height. See what's up. Now turn passenger side. More. More. Okay, as I pull you, it's going to try to turn back, so just hold it right there. Okay. All right, let off throttle. Okay. Hold the brake. Okay. All right, a little to the driver's side. Straighten up. Okay, back to the passenger side, straighten up. All right, hold there and I'll get you unhooked. We did not come prepared for the rain.
Yeah, this is.
So as
you really brought it.
we were driving through it back there, and then it lightened up like, oh, looks like we're getting out of it. No, we just got ahead of it. Isn't that the coolest winch ever?
Yeah, it is.
Tucks right in there. All right, you guys can get back inside where it's dry. This back in here. You got really wet really quick. Glad you wore shorts today.
Definitely a little bit wet.
David, I 100% blame you for this, because on the way here, David asked, how's this soft top do in the rain? Does it get wet inside? Now you know. Luckily, we brought the jack extension. This is the 911 Motorsports jack extension to raise the height of the jack, and there's all different heights you can do. In my description, there's a link to their YouTube. You can go check out all the. They make some cool stuff, way cooler than this even, but you can go check that out on their page. Okay. This is why a soft top is annoying. Did you see that? All right, you are all set.
Cool.
I'll get back out of your way and probably go that way. Out.
Yeah?
Yeah. It goes right there, it just tees off instead of going back to there.
Okay.
You guys
All right.
camping out here or just up here for the day?
Over at Camp Sherman.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so you just, this tee's right there, you just double back.
Take
And,
that out. Take
and
that
then
road.
that road goes straight all the way back to the pavement, and you'll stay straight
Okay.
all the
take
way
that
back out. Yeah.
But
You can thank all the people watching right now, because that's what just paid for this for you.
seriously, you drove all the way out from East Bend, and
So say thank you to them, not me.
thank you. My day is safe. All right.
You guys have a good rest of your vacation.
Oh, man. Casey.
I'll let them go ahead to make sure they make it back out to the highway. I got a couple of mud holes and some rocks to go through. And I have to say thank you to you guys too, because you guys watching these videos is what allows me to come out and do this. Like this here, these people are out on vacation and they just made a little too sharp a turn, and that could be something that completely ruins an awesome vacation for someone. And me being able to come out and do this because you guys watch these videos saves the vacation. So I also have to say thank you to you guys. All right, and back on the pavement and out to the highway they go. All right, well, that's gonna be it for this one. We're gonna turn on the heater and see if we can dry out a little bit and head back down off the mountain. Big thank you to David for filming and smiling this time.
Yep.
And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Are you cold?
Well, yeah.
So like my back is completely soaked, so I was bent over and he's like just drenched because he was standing up the whole time. I had like water run down my crack. That was like the ultimate wake-up call.